I will briefly elaborate on an article written by Professor Steve Benford. When we drive and use navigation software, it can affect the judgment we make while driving due to other reasons such as network delays or displaying a large number of roads. Is there any way to mitigate the effect of the above reasons on the effectiveness of navigation? And where is the difficulty in solving the problem? In the paper Crowdsourcing Good Landmarks for In-Vehicle Navigation Systems, this point has been addressed very well. The paper says that we can actually choose to enhance landmarks in the navigation system, which in turn enhances driver engagement with the environment, improves navigation and driving performance, and increases driver confidence. But good navigation landmarks are both laborious to collect and difficult to define. The process of selecting the most appropriate landmarks and collecting, describing, and maintaining a database of landmarks can be difficult when determining where to navigate decision points. Therefore, the investigators suggest a more effective approach is to use mobile crowdsourcing to collect navigation-based landmark data. A new game concept was introduced at this point, and using this approach, a large number of landmarks were effectively collected, greatly enhancing the usability and efficiency of human-computer interaction in car navigation systems. Crowdsourcing is when a group of people contribute to the creation of shared content or datasets. Likewise is a good example. Participants on the road trial, 38 people were selected to participate in the graffiti tagging game, which included people of different age groups, genders, and whether they could drive, with a standard deviation of driving SD 等于10点4. In terms of choosing the route to take during the test drive, 4 navigation decision points were created. The vehicle was driven from the Jubilee campus to the city center and back, without taking repeated roads, at which point the participants in the test painted their decision points. And this diagram shows the entire workflow during graffiti. In evaluating the graffiti landmarks, we used 5 aspects of visibility, location usefulness, uniqueness, brief descriptive and expressive properties that let the people who tested the graffiti game. This results in a linear relationship between the decision point and the 5 measurement points. And the study ultimately found that in some of the 4 locations more than 30% of players chose the same marker object. In some of these locations, 50% or more of players chose the same object. There is a high degree of consensus on the choice of graffiti based on the size, color, and contrast of buildings, road signs, and specific places such as police stations and specific landmarks. This also shows that this crowdsourcing approach is feasible for software-generated landmarks. Thank you for watching, and I hope you have been aware and interested in the item.